Vikings, welcome. It's a start of a new week tomorrow. Got Monday, FOMC week, and we always have to do a weekly analysis, which has been 85 to 90% accurate. Why wouldn't it be this week, right? So we have NQ on the left here. We can take this off, make it naked. We ended up with a down close candle. I took a TGIF short on Friday, not live, but I took it, but it didn't reach either my stop loss or my target. And because I don't like to have open positions during the weekend, I closed it break even. So that's it. I didn't live stream many trades this week because I have noticed that I messed up my trades. I start to change the stop loss and doing things I did before, so I have to get in check with that. So I will do some live trading during the day, and then on the AM session for a couple of weeks I will not live stream, I will only trade. So that's what's up. I will still do pre-market analysis and post-market analysis and pre-week analysis, of course. So let's check this out. We are at all-time high levels again. Keep pushing up, and we can't just be bearish when we are so bullish. We even got any swing highs. A swing high is 3 candles with the middle candle higher, more high than the left and the right candle. We don't have that yet. If we get that next week, well, then it is like that, but for now we are bullish. And we have to take consideration the wicks here. So we have this wick, which we are reacting from. We also have last week wicks. We will note the midpoint of this week, the CE levels. And we will, like another week, work with those levels for setups. So here I noted this week. We are reacting from the 75% level. It's inverse like this. So that's quite bullish actually. We also have to note this level, and I will take the wick CE like that, okay, and I will do like this. So this is 2 levels I will work with in the start of the week. So if the start of the week we make a Judas down to this level, and on a smaller time frame we can see we react from them, I will be bullish up to wick CE here, and the next target will be all-time high here. So we do like this. Last week high, all-time high. And this is actually what we need to do, nothing more actually, because those levels are the ones that we are going to work with, and we do the same with ES here on the right. Okay, but of course we check out the lower time frame. This is the daily, sorry, the daily. This is the weekly, sorry, but yeah, it's the same. This week is the one that we will work with. We also have this one, but last week reacted from there. And we also have this week and the all-time high. Okay, sorry for the misunderstanding there. Okay, nice. This is the weekly wick CE, and we have the daily wick CE here. Under us on the daily we have a fair value gap. So this could be something that we visit. We can retrace even down to this and then go up. So you see I only have buy setup for PD arrays under us. So we have this daily wick CE and we have this fair value gap to react from to push up higher. If we close a daily candle under the midpoint of this fair value gap here, that's a line in the sand for bullishness. It doesn't say that doesn't mean that we are not bullish, because we can reject from here, but that makes me suspicious of the bullish bias, and I might be looking for some daily lows, this wick quadrants and so on. So this is my if then this statement. If we close under this midpoint, then I will look for bearish setups with caution. If we react from this midpoint or we react from this midpoint, then I will take trades towards this daily wick CE or the all-time highs. Quite clear. If you have any questions, ask me in the chat or comment below. And please don't forget to subscribe. We will check out the 4-hour candles here. So we went down this week and covered this imbalance here, rejected from it, and closed with a fair value gap here, which I am consider going to be an inversion fair value gap if we close above this fair value gap, or at least above this midpoint of this fair value gap. And if we do that, we might get a nice setup for longs here. Or we react and we get a visit down to this wick CE and then push up higher. We'll see. Same here. It looks quite bullish either way. And we can see that this 3 candles down is a bullish order block on a higher time frame on the daily. So if we push up higher here and close above this open price, we have a bullish order block. And on ES we can see we are inside of this order block here. If we push up higher and go back to this open price, this could be a purple-sun candle. Purple, I don't know what you say in English. Purple-sun candle, which is a quite bullish sign, and you can take really explosive trades from there. But we'll see. This is quite messy. I will erase some levels. So still bullish, and we're going for wick CE high here or the all-time high. And yeah, that's it for tonight. Happy trading, and I hope to see you during the days this week.